AI PCs bring new security protections and risks. Here, what users needs to know. Trend Macro Kevin Simzer shares exclusive insights about securing AI PCs against the unique threats of this new computing era. Trend Micro is a IB $1B plus cybersecurity company founded in 1988 to produce antivirus products for LANS, which it licensed to Intel. Over the years, the company added anti-spam and anti-spyware software and has since become a global cybersecurity leader that protects more than half a million organizations and more than a quarter billion people across cloud networks, devices, and endpoints. One of the more interesting aspects of the company is its 15-year-old outreach program, Internet Safety for Kids and Families. The company provides online safety education, has educated more than 1.4 million kids, 2.4 million parents and teachers, and offers a program in more than 37,000 schools. Also, what is an AIPC and should you buy one? With the launch of AI PCs this year, I was curious whether the new AI capabilities would increase the threat surface area for this new generation of devices. In this exclusive interview, I had the opportunity to speak with Kevin Simzer, Chief Operating Officer at Trend Micro, who gave a clear overview of the security benefits and concerns for users of AI PCs. Zetinet, please introduce yourself and provide a brief overview of your role as a co of Trend Micro. Kevin Simzer, as co at Trend, I am responsible for all field operations, including global sales, marketing, business development, strategic alliances, and corporate development. Zetinet, how do AI PCs differ from traditional PCs in terms of functionality? KS, unlike traditional PCs, AI PCs are equipped with a neural processing unit optimizing the PC to run AI algorithm on the device at near lightning speeds. With an AI PC, you have the option to use an AI application that is not hosted in the cloud, since there is enough processing power to run it locally on your device. This provides the added benefit of both speed and privacy, since any data being processed does not have to travel outside of your device. Zetinet, how do AI PCs differ from traditional PCs in terms of potential cybersecurity risks? Yes, there is currently a lot of excitement about all the possibilities enabled by AI PCs, coupled with an increasing number of AI applications that run on them. We too are excited about the potential they have to improve productivity, creativity, and more for all types of users. Also, how work devices may evolve to keep up in the AI era. However, as with any technological shift in the past, we know that such innovations come with risks. Traditional devices security solutions fall short.